What's up everybody and welcome back. So a lot of people are asking questions about the app monetization and ad analysis. So in this video I'm going to talk about the all the things related to ads and ads networks and running your campaigns on social media for your game. Okay, so I'm going to talk specifically about the SocialPeta platform, and we will see what are the features and what we get through that. So basically Peta platform is more suitable for game developers and marketing operators to know how and what their competitors are doing. So as you can see on my dashboard, I have analytics of different apps, their ads basically, and how many impressions they got, what was the duration and the popularity. So right here, as you can see, I have some impressions. So if I click on this Age of Magic, it will tell me that this ad belongs to that network. Okay, now and here in the top charts you can see the creatives, the advertisers, and the network, and the duration, and how much impressions this got. Okay, and you can see the popularity. You can also sort the data by different time periods, and you can also change the networks here. As you can see that we have all the networks. So let's say for Unity ads, so by this way you can launch more proper ads to get the better ROI. So in the display ads, for example, so as I told you that SocialPeta cover 45 different countries and regions and over more than 68 networks and channels. So here we can see the different types, let's say image ads and HTML, carousel, video ads, all type of that. By here we can search by the region. Okay, so let's say Pakistan. Now here you will see the impressions, the durations, and the popularity. Now the ad intelligence is another feature. So in the top charts you can see the app name, the network they are using, the publishers. Okay, so let's say if we want to get the insight of this app, you can see the analytics in many dimensions. So right here in the graph you can see that at different time periods we can see how the video percentage, playable ads, HTML, image, and carousels. So under analysis you can choose the graph type. So the impressions you will see, as you can see that app login, AdWords, Unity ads, Facebook, Google, and you can also view the ads count. And the publisher analysis. So you can see the ranking here. Core feature is the cost intelligence. Okay, so it helps you know about more about CTR and CPC, so and cost of different ads channels. So as you can see that right now we have AdMob, Facebook, and we have a lot of other ads platforms. So you can get the insight of how much each ad platform is paying. Okay, you can also use the search box for the search of targeted app. So if you want to search about the if you know about any app who is making a lot of money, you can search the app, which ad platforms they are using, and what are the CPC and CTR. So right here you can see, we can see the gaming app CTR, CPC right here 1.45 and CTR is 0.79%. Now you can also see the placements here. So in if you have we have different placements in different ads platform. So for instance, like Facebook news feeds, the CTR is 1.41 and the CPC is this and CPM is this. Now we can switch the network here. So right now the network is Facebook. We can also see in the different countries how much the CPM and CPC and CTR ratio varies. So guys, take a look at Peta platform. The link will be in the description. So you can use these features like cost intelligence and cost analysis. We have advertiser analysis, ad publisher analysis. So you will get a lot of inspiration and help, and you will have a ready strategy for your game, for your monetization and for your campaigns. Okay, so that's it for this video guys, and I will see you in the next video.